So here's a very quick lecture. It's an exercise, gut feeling brainstorm, and it's about the initial course topic ideas that you might have. To get you started with finding the perfect course topic, I want you to do a simple but powerful exercise. This is all about tapping into your initial instincts and gut feelings about potential course topics. Remember, this is just a preliminary brainstorm, so there's no right or wrong answer here. Just let your ideas flow. In the upcoming lectures, we will take a more scientific approach to this, so we will find your gold mine anyway. The assignment instructions. First, set the scene. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can think without interruptions. Have a notebook and pen ready or open a blank document on your computer. Then, reflect. Spend a few minutes thinking about your skills, experiences, and interests. Consider the questions: what am I good at? What do I enjoy doing? What problems have I solved for myself or others? Then brainstorm. Write down at least 5 potential course topics that come to mind. Don't overthink. Just go with your gut feeling. These topics could be related to your professional expertise, hobbies, personal experiences, or anything you feel passionate about. Expand. For each topic, write down what you could teach or the main points you could cover in the course. Think about who would benefit from learning this. Who is your potential audience? And then review. Look over your list and pick the top 2 to 3 ideas that excite you the most. So this assignment is not mandatory. None of the assignments are mandatory. But I can tell you that if you go through this assignment and actually do it, it will make the upcoming 3 lectures easier, because in the upcoming lectures, we will go through your talents, your passions, and the market demand, and we will validate that information to come up with the perfect business foundation for your course. It will be easier if you first do this assignment. So here's an example. If you are a graphic designer, some potential topics might be the basics of graphic design, or let's say advanced Photoshop techniques, or how to create stunning logos, or designing for social media, building a freelance design business, or anything. Remember that this is just the beginning of our journey to discovering your perfect course topic. In the next modules, we'll refine these ideas by looking at your talents, your passions, and the market demand, as we said earlier. So good luck with brainstorming, and I will see you in the next lecture.